can wait no longer. It is time. Only the 9 can save us from the evils of the Margu.
Fools! You cannot stop me! This world is mine!
Not yet! It isn't!
He has... The heroes will be lost!
Not lost, just scattered. And not all of them. Look!
Hey! This doesn't look like Bikini Bottom.
SpongeBob, where are we?
Far from home, ghost boy.
Oh!
I have summoned you here for a purpose.
Ooh.
Our ancient enemy, the Margu, has escaped from his prison and seeks vengeance. He has created a terrible ooze that corrupts everything it touches. But the legends of our people say that you, the chosen ones, can save us.
How do we save you?
You will know, absorbent yellow one. You will know. But first, you must find all of your friends. United, you will triumph. Hoo-ha! Please stop that. Now, follow me, and I will take you to a safe place where you can camp. There are many dangers on our island. You must defend yourself. Punch the targets.
How does he do that?
Oh, it's a crab thing.
When you find yellow energy, pick it up. It will energize you. Shoo those birds away. When you find blue energy, pick it up. It will heal you. If one of you can't do it, another hero can. Some items could be useful when building your camp. Be sure to collect them all.
Hey, look at all this stuff.
Pockets at the ready, Danny!
Look out! One of those darn birds!
You'll have to jump to get across here. You can jump higher by jumping again when you're in the air. Open that case. There might be something inside.
Shake the trees, break the shells. Go figure.
The path is blocked. pick up that nut that fell out of the tree. Now throw it against that wall. Watch out for the boom.
What was that?
I think it came out of that storm above the volcano. Whoa! It's the Benton Ghost Assault Vehicle. Darn, it's locked.
Sometimes you have a choice of path.
Did you see all that stuff in the big storm? You think a nice old crab will want us to take it back?
Stay out of the deep water. It is dangerous to off-worlders. Those monsters are servants of the Margu. You must defeat them. You'll have to jump to get across here. You can jump higher by jumping again when you're in the air. Destroy the ooze spout, or it will make more monsters.
What's that up ahead?
It looks like... Patrick! What are you doing here?
Jumping, SpongeBob! Jumping!
Patrick, we're the chosen ones, and we're on a mission to save the world!
Hooray!
Patrick, are you coming with us?
Oh, okay.